To get a closer look at the trading action, we have Joel Hawthorne of the Morning Snapshot with us now for the Trader Rundown. Hello to you, Joel.
Thank you for having me, Angie.
Joel, what's your take on the fallout from the Fed after Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell addressed Congress this week?
I think right now, just kind of wrapping up the week, I think the market is kind of sitting on pins and needles, really cautiously waiting to see what's to come of the Fed chair speaking to the House. I think the Fed chair is really explaining how the resources that is kind of going to be needed to really kind of keep this economy back on track, and to get it back on track, I should say. I think right now the overall market is sitting very cautiously waiting on all the verbiage. Along with the market, as I've said in the past, is very sensitive to headlines. Any news, any headlines that come out about COVID, about so many businesses that are continuously under pressure, some of the states that are reopening, that are seeing some of the spikes of COVID, all of this is having a real reaction to the market. And I think there is that uncertainty and fear that has the market very sensitive. I also think that paying close attention to the VIX. I mentioned last week that the VIX would possibly see a spike and a pop above 40. We've seen that, and as of recent days, of some of the seesaw wide trading ranges of the overall market, we've seen the VIX right now trading around 34-ish or so. I think these days are to come. I think we'll see this in the coming weeks, as we've constantly seen some of the headlines coming out here, along with the fact that holidays are coming up. I mean, we have Independence Day coming up here in a few weeks as well. We'll see how some of how consumers are out spending. I think that'll be something very important to watch. So for me, I'm very cautious, very sensitive to a day-to-day what comes out of headlines, what's on the news feed, and being very protected in the market.
Thank you as always, Joel.
Thank you very much for having me, Angie. Have a great day.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.